Here I will give you one more motivational tip. Winners never quit and quitters never win. I actually make these kind of videos to give you energy and motivation. Now it's up to you whether you want to become winner or quitter. You are not defeated when you lose. You are only defeated when you quit. Winners say it may be difficult, but it is possible, while losers say it may be possible, but it is difficult. You have to accept that when things are bad, you can change them. See dreams when your eyes are open. That dreams wake you up early and allow you to work late at night, then you will be winner. Otherwise, you are wasting time. And when you waste time, time will waste you. Wasting one day converts into weeks, and weeks converts into months, and months convert into years, and years finally convert into forever. Change your mind, and it will change your life. You just have to wake up. You just have to break that negative spirit. You just have to break through all the negative things that you carry. Start your new day today. Enough is enough. God is not done with you. God is really not done with you. That is why you are still here. Do not blame anyone else. It is you. Yes, it is you. You are the only obstacle in your way. So remove that obstacle and go ahead. Never underestimate your abilities. Always you have to say, I can, I will, I must. I can, I will, I must. Because you want to be winner, not loser. Stand up, be bold, be strong. Winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. Take all the responsibility on your shoulders and know that you are the creator of your destiny. Don't quit your dreams because winner never quit and quitters never win. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Sai Academy.